Can you show me the part where the bear sneezes? Can you show me? Can I see the part where the bear sneezes?
Yeah.
Will you show me Baba? Where's Baba? In Baba's house. Haley, can you show me? Please? Where's Baba? Mommy wants to see Baba.
Always.
Let's see. Uh-oh, it's upside down. There we go. Who's that? Who is that in the rocking chair? Who is it?
Baba.
That's Baba. Who's the little boy? Is that Nikki?
Mickey.
Yeah. What's that? What animal is that?
Achoo.
Where's the achoo? Who causes the bear to go achoo? The mouse? What happened there? Achoo!
Achoo.
Did the mouse cause the bear to sneeze? And
Baba.
there's Baba. Where's her house?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's right there?
Baba.
Baba. Is that Baba's house?
Baba house.
Yeah. And there's the mitten. Are all the animals going into the mitten? You like that book? You like the mitten.